Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been forever! Oh my god! I have not filmed a video in 2 months, even uploaded. I know, I've been dying to do videos again, but I just been going out a lot and I feel like I couldn't, I was just going out a lot and having fun, just taking a break, you know what, let me just take a break and just have fun and, stuff like that. But I've been wanting to film a video in forever. So I was like, you know what, I have to learn how to balance, filming and editing and also going out and doing all this other stuff. So yeah, this is what I'm doing now. Okay, let me just get right into this because you didn't click on this video to hear about my story. I'll do that in another video. So today's video is on my July Boxycharm. I had to think about that. I didn't even wow. Okay, so this is this is July Boxycharm. So let's get right into this because I'm so excited. The first thing I see is a coupon right here. And then this is the card for the Boxycharm where they have all the descriptions on each item that we have in here. And the theme is all natural. The first item that I'm going to grab is this right here, and I'm so excited because it's from Luxy. Usually it comes in a big box in plastic and it has all this, but no, it says unleash your true beauty by being kind to the earth. Please help keep our planet beautiful by recycling this package. I think this is more amazing than any box that Luxy ever came in, honestly. So this is a 3-piece set, retail price $30. I want to see how the brushes look. Oh, I like it. From far it looks like it's regular, the pink handle, but it looks wood, like pink wood instead of brown wood. It's pink. I love the details when it comes to brushes or anything that these companies put. This is so simple and I'm just like, yes, because it has meaning behind it. If no one knows this, I love wood, okay? Maybe because I just love nature and stuff like that, but I love wood. So this is so awesome that this is a wooden handle, but it's pink. How cute. This right here is the Luxy 510 foundation brush. This is the Luxy 250 large eye blending brush. This one right here. Wow, this is really big. And then this one right here, this little thing, is the Luxy 246 precision crease brush. It's to apply color to your crease. You can apply a color to your crease, or you can apply some highlight with this right in the middle, like a inner corner highlight, or on your brow bone. Because to me, each brush is meant for something, but you can mix it up and do your thing with it as well. The next in the box is this item right here. This is I think it's called Elmis, hopefully I'm saying it right. The Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Retail price $35. Get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. I need this. So it's formulated with avocado and broccoli seed oils, rich in omega fatty acids to help support the skin's moisture barrier. Vitamin C and passion fruit acids help brighten for a fresh looking complexion. Maybe I'll apply some now. You know what? Yeah. I have this brush right here. This is from e.l.f. I use this to apply my face mask, anything like that, so I don't have to keep on dipping my hand. Okay, I damp my face just a little and I'm apply the mask. It says remove it after 10 minutes. While I have this veggie mask on, I'm gonna keep on grabbing items from the box. So, don't be scared and don't judge me, okay? The next item in the box that I'm so excited for is this right here. And we never received this. Well, I never received anything like this in the box. This is the Kojin Dough Spa Cleansing Water Cloths. Retail price for 10 cloths. Okay, there's only 10 of them. $17. It says that this is a cotton cleansing spa water cloth. Removes waterproof makeup and impurities while nourishing skin with mineral-rich cleansing spa water. Damn, I should have did the makeup part first to take the makeup off and then did this. I didn't think of that. I was just grabbing items and excited. I'm gonna wait until The 10 minutes is up and I'll be right back. My face doesn't feel dried, but I still have to put moisturizer on no matter what, and I feel like it's just for anything, especially because I have dry skin. When it comes to skincare, this is something I feel like you have to use multiple times to actually know if you really like it or if it's gonna do the job. For the first time trying it, I like it. I just have to really try it over and over again, but I really love that it didn't turn my skin red. I always have red spots and I'm like, oh my god, I'm about to break out. Is this about to break me out? So I get scared off of that, and this didn't do it. We're gonna go back into the box and grab this right here. This is the Butter London Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. Retail price $32. This is cruelty free and it has 6 highly pigmented long-lasting shades. Ooh, I actually like the packaging. It's cute and sleek and it looks like wood, so duh, I'm gonna like it. It has a mirror, that's awesome. And these are the shadows. So these two are matte shadows and these look like satin. Off the back, I don't feel like this would be for everyone. I cannot even lie, but this right here is calling my name. But this won't be a palette that you can just bring on the go. Oh, I like has the, you know, magnet. That's good. But this won't be a palette that you can bring on the go, like in everyday use. I feel like this will be good to add on with other palettes. I'm not gonna talk through this. I'm just gonna point to the shadows and do my eye look. Oh, I already primed my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape. Look at this. Look how cute this is. Oh, wait. I cannot forget these brushes. I'm gonna stop my eyes for now and I'm going to apply some foundation with the Luxie brush. I don't like it. I don't like it. It's leaving lines on my face. I just never liked brushes like this. I'm so sorry, I just never did. I feel like I don't know how to be gentle with these things. I have to smooth this out, just in case. No offense, I just never liked foundation brushes at all, so this is a note for me. These brushes, awesome. I love them, I like them, especially this one. Oh, it blends out so great. I still have to finish my eyes, but anyways, this one as well, I like this for the inner corner to apply on my lid. I actually like these shadows. They blend out really good. This shadow right here, though, is my favorite one, honestly. It's just different and it pops, and that's like my favorite color. It's in the realm of my favorite color. These shadows you do have to pack on to see some pigment. When I was blending it out with this brush, I had to keep on packing on because it was taking off the shadow, but not as much, but it took a little more than I expected, so I had to keep on applying to deepen the shadow. I like this palette. I'm not wowed about it. I'm just obsessed with this teal. Now, last in the box is this right here, Luna by Luna. I love the moon. It's called Venus. This is lip gloss, retail price $18. It gives it a nice tint on your lip, a color tint, but it gives you a nice shine, and it's not sticky. I like this. I really like this. My overall thought for this box I really like it. My favorite item of all, honestly, I thought it was gonna be this, just because I've been wanting these makeup wipes, the Cauldron Doll makeup wipes. I just been like, oh, I want to try it, but never got around to buying it because I'm like, oh, this is kind of expensive. So I thought that was gonna be my favorite, but this lip gloss took the spot. You want a lipstick that gives you a nice tint of color but shine and gloss and not sticky and comfortable, and this is it. The overall pricing with all these items is $132. I hope you guys enjoyed July's Boxycharm. Let me know down below if you received Boxycharm. Let me know which items you received and which items you liked and disliked. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed yet. But yeah guys, I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye. Okay, so I am done with everything. I had to, you know, do the outro and take pictures before taking this stuff off. So yeah, I want to use this on camera. Let's do this. It's thicker than a lot of makeup wipes that I use. Let's go. You see how this looks? Like bam. But let's take this off. This feels so good, I'm not even gonna lie. Some makeup wipes that I use, either they're not so like moist that you gotta go through a lot of makeup wipes just to take your makeup off, or they're too like sticky that your face feels nasty afterwards. This just feels so good and it feels so cool and nice on my face. I have nothing bad to say about it. I'm actually really like, look at, I have like a little shine to my face. Doesn't look dull or anything like that. Like, oh yes, get it. So now my video is finally over because I finished and I use this. So this is a yes for me. And yeah, okay guys, bye.